is first part should be part 1 is the ratio that we have to discuss, correct? Second thing is the geometry involved in this, correct? And the third thing is the temperature, or the temperature depends upon the crispness of the dosa. So the ratio, first the ratio. So the ratio of rice and urad dal should be 3:1. 3:1 means rice you have to use is 3 bowls, right? So if you use 3 bowl of rice, you have to use 1 bowl of dal. 3 bowl of rice, 1 bowl of dal. That is the ratio means. And if you want to make more better, like for more people, for 5, 7 people, 8 people, 1,000 people, you can just make an equivalent ratio. So if you want to make more better, so you can multiply it with 2. But remember, whatever you multiply, you have to do the same thing for both the sides, right? So 6:2. You can make more better, you can just multiply 3 times, 4 times, but whatever you multiply, you have to multiply. So the ratio should be 3:1. 3:1, 3 bowls of rice and 1 bowl of dal. This should be the ratio. So the rice, dal ratio should be 3:1, golden rule. Okay, so this is about the ratio. Second part, geometry. How we can use the geometry to make a perfect dosa, correct? So geometry should be, a dosa is basically a circle. Dosa is what? A circle, correct? So for example, if you want a dosa of 12 centimeter, like what is a 12 centimeter dosa? So 12 centimeter is, this is 12 centimeters. So you can draw the, you can find out the area, 12 centimeters. So if the radius is 12 centimeter, you can find out the area, which is pi r squared. So area should be almost 450 centimeters. So that's about 4 centimeter of deliciousness that you can get. And also remember, you have to spread it. Spread the batter in the tawa evenly. So geometry helps you to spread it evenly, right? Okay.